Hello everybody, my name is Y Nguyen, and it's my pleasure to invite you to become a CSSCA, a Certified Sustainable Supply Chain Auditor. The CSSCA program enables professional auditors like myself, consultants, and practitioners to audit and report on an organization's sustainability initiatives and its maturity according to the IISB26 Audit Framework. The IISB26 Audit Framework is grounded in 4 pillars. The first is protect people, community, and planet. The second is promote sustainable practices. The third is developing safeguards for the future. And the fourth is authentication of sustainability reporting. If you're already a CSSCP or a Certified Sustainable Supply Chain Professional, you can become a Certified Sustainable Supply Chain Auditor by taking an online self-paced course and an online proctored certification exam. So join me to become a CSSCA and help validate organizations' progress on making their supply chains more sustainable.